Tree House by Casalvolone Arquitectura in Costa Rica. Exploring the relationship between architecture and nature, Tree House in Playa Grande, Costa Rica. Located in the picturesque setting of Playa Grande, Guanacaste, Costa Rica, Tree House stands as a tribute to the relationship between contemporary architecture and the lush nature of its surroundings. This unique residence is nestled among the trees, embracing the steep topography of the hillside where it is situated. The name itself, Tree House, evokes the essence of its unique design. In exploring the fusion between modern living and the natural environment, we chose to use raw and authentic materials such as exposed concrete, teak wood, metal, and glass. These elements blend harmoniously into the landscape, respecting and enriching the beauty of the surroundings. The architectural program of Tree House is deconstructed to adapt to the trees and the surrounding topography. The result is the creation of two distinct modules, connected by a central bridge and an exterior staircase. This arrangement not only creates a visual dialogue between the house and its surroundings but also allows residents to immerse themselves in the surrounding nature. The open and fluid design of Tree House invites a life connected with the lush nature of the area. The spacious common areas merge with the surrounding landscape through glass walls that open outwards, creating a sense of continuity between the interior and exterior. The interior spaces are flooded with natural light and cross-ventilation, offering a living experience that celebrates the connection with the natural environment. At Tree House, every detail has been carefully considered to foster a harmonious relationship between architecture and nature. From the selected materials to the layout of the spaces, every aspect of the design has been conceived to maximize the connection with the surroundings and provide a truly unique living experience. In summary, Tree House is not only an expression of exceptional architectural design but also a testimony to the profound respect and admiration for Costa Rica's natural beauty. It is an invitation to live in harmony with nature, where every moment becomes a celebration of outdoor life and the beauty of the surrounding environment.